Hey guys, I'm Dustin with Custom Offsets, and if you haven't already guessed, we're back with another giveaway. This time we're teaming up with 9line Apparel to bring you a full build giveaway. So we got Anthem wheels, we got Toyo tires, and we got ReadyLift suspension. So again, we're coming back at you with a full build giveaway, plus every t-shirt you guys pick up helps us make a donation to the 9line Foundation. So if you don't know, the 9line Foundation is dedicated to helping veterans that have been wounded in action and helping them get back into day-to-day life. So it's a really cool foundation. Obviously, we're super excited about it. The 9line guys are super excited about it. To get entered to win, it's super simple. You head on over to customoffsets.com/giveaway, or you can head to 9line's website or Anthem's website as well. Pick up one of these t-shirts. We've got 3 color options. So we've got t-shirts, plus we've got bro tanks, plus we got tanks for the ladies. So again, to get entered to win, head on over to customoffsets.com/giveaway, pick up your t-shirt, and I think that's it. I don't know how to end it. Okay, bye.